Ryan Bratton, it's been very busy all day today.
For sure.
Lots to track as really that most harsh line moves through the state.
Really just like a 2 or 3 hour period of the strongest winds. It's already over in all of western and southern Maine. Be over soon in central Maine and in another couple hours down east. This is an example of some of the damage today in Pittston. Thanks to Valerie for sending this along. We had gusts out ahead of the front from the south, and if you've been around here a long time, you know that's a direction we are most susceptible to getting tree and power line damage from. Now the front is slicing through the middle of the state now, and behind it the wind changes direction coming in from the west, which is a direction we see all the time. It's still going to be gusty, but not to the strength that it was earlier this afternoon. The rain pretty much ending from Lewiston southward. Central Maine though, we do still have some showers and downpours, and it's heaviest as you work your way down east. So if you're stepping out this evening in the greater Portland area, other than a stray shower, you should be in pretty good shape. Radar algorithm trying to mix some snow over in the higher elevations up around Rangeley. It's possible. The temperature drop has started there, and that's a sign of the sharp drop that will cross through the state as the evening goes along. In fact, Rangeley is down to 32, so if you're seeing snow up there, send us an email. Kind of a crazy weather day if you're already seeing some wet snow. I don't think you get much accumulation, maybe a coating, and it's really confined to the far northwest hills and mountains. Still in the 50s in eastern Maine, but down to 43 in Fryeburg. That temperature drop will spread east through the evening. You can see how in central and southern Maine the winds have come down. Now a westerly direction in Portland and Sanford, still a southerly direction though. From Penobscot Bay eastward, we're gusting to 60 miles per hour in Bar Harbor, 58 at the Bangor Airport right now, and these strong winds will continue to push through down East Maine over really just the next couple hours. So once we get past about 7 or 8 o'clock, the threat for any additional power outages is very low across the entire state. The breeze stays up tonight, and that's good because it'll help dry out a lot of the surfaces on the roads. There may still be some black ice, but we should avoid big problems. Tomorrow it's windy in the morning, and then that wind will ease during the afternoon. So early morning a wind chill factor, less so tomorrow afternoon. You can see that range shifting east over the next several hours. By 7 o'clock we're drying out in Bangor, probably before that, and then down East Maine by 8 or 9 o'clock the rain is long gone. Temperatures do drop, but it takes a few to maybe even several hours to hit freezing. We've already done it in Rangeley, so we'll do it up in the mountains first, but the rest of us, it's closer to or just after midnight. Tomorrow morning, it's much colder, so any standing water certainly freezes up. We're in the 20s south and teens north. Lots of sunshine on the way during the day tomorrow. Will be some cloud cover that comes in during the afternoon. Highs in southern Maine get into the low 30s. Northern Maine will stay in the 20s coming up tomorrow. Tomorrow night, there's a chance for a few snow showers, especially in northern Maine. Doesn't look like much of this action makes it south though. So on Sunday it's probably partly sunny in southern Maine, still a passing snow shower to the north with some minor accumulations, and we likely hit 40 Sunday afternoon as we see it right now as well. Monday it's cold. Then we have another system we've got to watch for Tuesday. It's not a big storm, but it does look like we'll get a round of snow, which could bring some accumulation Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night. That's out of here, though, for Christmas Eve day as we see it now. Seas tomorrow, 10 to 14 feet. Storm warning is up until 7 o'clock tonight. Much colder tomorrow. Be aware for some patchy black ice in the morning. Hopefully the wind helps dry out a lot of the roads though. Highs tomorrow in the 20s north, low to mid 30s south. Chance for some snow showers up north on Sunday. Think in the coastal areas it's just some clouds. Much colder on Monday, a round of snow Tuesday. Should be dry for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, and then there may be a system Christmas night or Friday.